In today's video, I'm going to show you how to star your channel in Slack so you can keep important conversations easy to find and always accessible. If you work in multiple Slack workspaces or you're part of many channels, starring channels is one of the simplest ways to stay organized and save time every single day. This is a quick but powerful feature that a lot of people overlook. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Slack and productivity tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack either in your browser or using the Slack desktop app. Once Slack is open, look at the left-hand sidebar where all of your channels are listed. From here, navigate to the specific channel that you want to star. This can be a team channel, a project channel, or any channel you regularly check and don't want to lose track of. Click on the channel name to open it so it becomes the active channel on your screen. Next, once you're inside the channel, look toward the top of the Slack window. Near the channel name, you'll see a small menu icon, often represented by 3 dots. This is the More Actions button for the channel. Go ahead and click on that More Actions button to open the Channel Options menu. This menu contains several useful actions related to the channel's settings and preferences. After the menu opens, look through the list of options until you find the option labeled Star Channel. When you see it, simply click on Star Channel. As soon as you do this, Slack will automatically mark that channel as starred for your account. There's no confirmation screen and no extra steps required, so it happens instantly. Now, let's confirm that the channel has been starred successfully. Go back to the left-hand sidebar in Slack and scroll until you find the Starred section. This section usually appears near the top of your channel list, depending on your Slack layout and settings. Inside the Starred section, you should now see the channel you just starred. This makes it much easier to access important channels without scrolling through a long list every time. Anytime you need quick access to that channel, you can simply click on it from the Starred section. This is especially useful for announcements channels, priority team channels, or time-sensitive time by going back to the channel, clicking the More Actions button again, and selecting Unstar Channel. The channel will then be removed from your Start section, keeping your workspace clean and organized. And that's it. You've successfully starred a channel in Slack and made it easier to stay focused on what matters most. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Slack tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.